What is up, guys? Welcome back to number 8. If this is not number 8, I will change it and make another video really quick. And this is number 8 of my trombone series. I just screwed up, so I'm trying to make this quick. I don't know why. I'm just talking very quick. I don't know if you guys are understanding me. Please slow down your video if you can't understand me. Thank you. There's my trombone. Okay, my trombone sounds like I'm very tired, but I'm not. But I'm not. Oh yeah, I'm doing the Ali song. Not the whole thing, just the dun 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 dun. You know. But for people that don't know, I'll be playing the song for you guys. So hold on. Some of the part might not be it, so. Never mind. It is. It's dun 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 dun. So I'm gonna do that. I was practicing with my friends and we both tried it. And I'm doing this on my trombone. Do I even have this placed the right way? Yes, I do. Alright. Might take me a few tries. Usually I need music, but since this isn't a song, I'm just doing part of it. Alright, you ready? Trombone ready? Might take me a few tries to do that, but let's see. I didn't even have to look at the trombone music thingy to find that song. Not even find. I just did dun 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 dun. By the way, if you're playing, you hear like a hold on. That noise, I don't know if you guys can hear it. But it's like a shaking noise. How it feels like something's loose or not. Something it feels like it's going. That's how it's gonna sound like. So if you're ever playing music, don't worry about it. All right, let's get this started. Hold on. Actually, I think you guys might want the music because it wouldn't sound the best, but I'll not put it at the highest. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put the music a little bit before so I can start getting my instrument ready. So yeah, it's gonna be like 5 seconds before the real music I'm playing. Oh shoot, I messed up. I feel like I messed up, but that's how it's supposed to be. So it's supposed to be like. Wait. Ew, what do you do, guys? Which one of you have an elephant in your house? Yep. Stop with the supercar sound. Stop with the elephant. Stop with the plane sound. Stop with the farts. Stop with the LEA song. Okay, that was a mess up or whatever. Everything on mouth, I play the trombone. Like that. And all that good stuff. And I'm gonna go play Roblox, and that's the end of the video. And goodbye, guys. Goodbye. No, trombone, stop mouthing everything, guys. I said. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop copying me. What you got? I can't do it. Yes, I can. Oh, yeah, finally can't do something. Wait, let me try. Wait, let me try. Alright, well, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, let me re-say that. That's the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my trombone videos and gaming videos. Mostly gaming videos. You got it, dude! That was just me fooling around. Okay, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell.